Hello, welcome back to my Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long. It is December 9 and we're about to do the next petal. But wait, I want to show you something first. Check this out. What you might not know is that each year I run a block of the month through a private Facebook group, and this year it was Midnight Magic. So this design here is our Oracle Owl, and he is just one block of the 9 blocks that we do over this 10-month period. Now once that year has passed, you can join in anytime you like and watch every instructional video of the painting and of the quilting and of how we put the whole thing together in the end. So it's a lot of fun with our painted block of the month. So they're on my website for you to have a look at, and I hope to see you there real soon. But let's have a look now at December the 9th. And we're working on this far right petal of our top poinsettia, and this time I'm going to show you a design that I call Stack of Rocks, but we're going to do it twice by having the spine of the petal down the middle and then our stack of rocks. It's a variation on a stippling design. So get that nice curve into the spine first, and then with our stippling we're going to fill that area and keep our stippling quite parallel to each other. So you can see here that these sections of the stippling are all, very straight and parallel to each other. Now we come back and close that off. And what I love about that is how it fills that whole width, and that area just tells you go skinny, go fat, go skinny, and you get that lovely variation. Back up the other side. Now we have our Stack of Rocks petal. That was number 9, and we will see you very soon tomorrow, same time, same channel, for December 10. See you later. Bye.